Channel banners. Every successful channel has one, and every YouTube channel needs one. Not only do they improve the look of your page, but they also serve as a good representation of the content that you post. It's the first thing that visitors see, so it's best to have a banner that leaves a good, strong first impression. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube banner for free. Let's get started. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using the website Canva. You're going to want to click Create a Design and search for the YouTube channel banner option, and there it is. Give it a click. If you look to the left, you have the option to select some of their photos. They have plenty of elements to work with. They have lots of texts with many types of font styles. But right now we're going to focus on picking a background for our banner. Pick any background that suits your preferred color palette. In this instance, we're going to go with this nice blue background. Next, we're going to click on Uploads, and we are going to upload an image that's going to act as a visual guide while we're creating our banner. Now, the link to the image is in the description below, so feel free to download that. This is a really useful tool. I'm just going to delete this duplicate here, and here we go. Drag in the image and scale it up. Now, this tool gives you a sense of what they're going to be able to see on their desktop, mobile devices, on tablets, or even on the TV, as the size of the channel banner varies on the platform that they're using. So now we're going to lower the transparency just a bit so that we can see our background, and now we can add some of the first elements. Let's start with adding some text. Now for this example, we are going to be making a gaming themed banner for a typical gaming channel. Lots of colors. I think I'm going to go with the one that says Game On. I kind of like the glitchy look that it's got going on here. The font's really large, so I'm going to have to scale it down. And now we have to come up with a name for our channel. Now this is where you're going to put your name. Cool Guy Gaming? No, I'm just going to keep it simple and I'll just have it say Gaming. And that should work. Let's just scale it and center it. Perfect. Okay, so we have our channel name nice and centered on our banner. And now I want to show you the cool thing about Canva. You can actually play around with the text. It has a cool effects feature where you can actually adjust the offset. In regards to the glitchy effect, you can either exaggerate it or scale it down. It all depends on your preference. You also have the option to change the effect's direction. And in addition to that, you can also choose to change its colors. So we have blue and pink, and then we have a blue and red effect color. And last but not least, you have the option to change the effect itself. For this tutorial, we're just going to stay with the original glitch effect. Let's just adjust the offset here. And I think that'll do it. Moving on, we're going to want to add some elements, more specifically clip art. Clip art that's going to say, hey, this is a gaming channel, this is the type of content that I post. So in this instance, we're going for this pink and blue laptop. Let's just scale it up a little. I think that color blends nicely. It goes with the neon look that we're going for. So we have our first element added, that being the laptop. But I think we should add a couple more things just so that the banner doesn't look empty. So let's look here. There's plenty of controller clip art variations. Let's see what we have. You know, I actually like that. I think we're going to swap the laptop for this Nintendo Switch looking device. Let's make the proper adjustments, scale it up, and do keep in mind they are not going to see the entire clip art on their mobile device. For example, they would only see the entire clip art if they were looking at it from their TV. If they're on desktop or on their phone, they're just going to see the sliver that says gaming, and then they're going to see the little buttons. You'll see what I mean when we show you the example. Okay, so this is what we have so far, and I gotta admit, I'm actually liking what I'm seeing here. So, let's add a couple more things just so that this has a complete look to it. I'm thinking we should add some video game characters. So let's type gaming, and we have Pac-Man and an alien. So I'm debating between the two. I think we're going to go with Pac-Man. So let's drag him in and adjust his size. Perfect. And then we'll just duplicate him and rotate him. There we go. There's nothing I love more than symmetry. And the last thing we're going to add is subtext. Now, subtext is going to go below your name on the banner, and the purpose of subtext is to provide your upload schedule. You can add social media handles. It's just to add any little bit of extra information that you want them to know. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to type out like and sub, that would go below gaming, or if you want to include your upload schedule, you can have the frequency say, I don't know, every Friday. It all depends on you. Once that's done, just drag it below gaming, and I think that is about it for this channel banner. All that we have left to do now is to actually download the banner and import it to your YouTube channel. So once you have it downloaded, head over to YouTube, sign into your channel, and click Customize Channel. There, you're going to want to import the banner wherever you have it saved on your computer, and that should do it. As you can see in this example, YouTube is displaying what they can see on what device. Let's head over to the YouTube page and see how it looks on the desktop. And there you go. That is how you create a YouTube banner. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell to receive notifications when we upload videos. Thank you for watching. This has been Jonathan from Just a Tutorial.